Hey everyone, Karibu Nairobi. This is a city full of adventure, culture and hidden gems. Whether you are a tourist or just looking for a weekend plan, today I will take you through some of the best places to visit in Nairobi. Let's go! First, let's talk about nature and wildlife. Did you know Nairobi is the only city in the world with a national park inside it? Yes, Nairobi National Park. Here you can spot lions, giraffes, and rhinos in the city skyline in the background. Next is the David Shedrick Elephant Orphanage, where you get to see and even adopt baby elephants. They are so cute. And of course, the Giraffe Center, where you can feed giraffes and even get the famous giraffe kiss. If you love hiking, Karura Forest and Ngong Hills are perfect spots. Fresh air, beautiful trails, and lots of Instagram moments. Nairobi is also rich in culture. The Nairobi National Museum gives you a deep dive in Kenya's history, art, and traditions. At the Bomas of Kenya, you will enjoy traditional dances and learn about different communities. For a stunning city view, head up to the KICC rooftop. The view of Nairobi from above is unforgettable. And if you love history, the Railway Museum will take you back in the time to the early days of the train line that built the city. Now, what is a visit without food and shopping? The Maasai market is perfect for souvenirs, jewelry, art, and handmade crafts. If you want real Kenyan vibe, try Kenyatta market for nyama choma and cook choma. The taste is boom, fire. And for a unique food experience, you cannot miss the Carnivore restaurant where they serve all types of meat, from beef to crocodile. Finally, let's talk about the hidden gems. The Nairobi Arboretum is a peaceful escape for walks and picnics. If you love malls, Two Rivers Mall and Village Market have shopping, restaurants, and even fun activities like bowling and rides. And when the sun goes down, Westlands is the heart of Nairobi's nightlife with clubs, lounges, and live music. There is always something happening here, and that is it. Those are just some of the amazing places you can visit in Nairobi. Which one is your favorite? Or which one would you love to explore first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join me next time as we keep exploring real life in Nairobi. Asante sana. Thank you very much and see you in the next one. Boom. One love.